Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the GG Smiley spray in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and this one's gonna be pretty simple. Probably the hardest thing is gonna be drawing these bubble letters. So to start out with the G, just draw a curve, just kind of come around, and then right about halfway, just kind of curve back up. I know it's a little bit tricky. And then we're gonna give this line some thickness, so we're gonna come across. And we're just gonna go around it. And just come up. And then just stop there, and then we're gonna draw the other part. So we're gonna curve. Come around. Right around here, and then we're gonna curve it in. Come across here, and then all we have to do is just kind of come down, finish up that part. Okay, so now we just gotta draw one more. So it's gonna be the same, so we're gonna go down, come about halfway, go up, and then we're gonna give this line some thickness again. Curve all the way up. Take this in and just curve it. Go across, past this area right here. Curve. Little mark there, and then just come down. Alright, so it's not too bad. Okay, so now for the easier part, we gotta draw the mouth. So the mouth, we're gonna start here. I mean, it's kind of in here, but we're gonna start all the way back here. Just gonna draw one straight line. Then we're gonna curve. Smaller curve up here on this side, and then we're just gonna draw one big smiley face. Just kind of come down one bowl shape, close it off, and then now for the teeth inside, so we're gonna draw one line, just kind of come down, come in, and now we're gonna go out, and then all we have to do is just kind of curve around this curve, around the lip. Okay, so that's the mouth, and now let's add in the circle. So we're gonna start up here with the G is. We just want to curve around it. Curve around this, and then we're gonna come down to the mouth. Okay, so here's the trickier part. Now we gotta draw the circle around. So we're just gonna go from here, just kind of go out. All the way. I know mine's a little bit wobbly. Okay, we can curve all the way around, and for this part it might be easier to go this way. Just kind of close it off, and then let's see, lastly, to add in some of the drippings from the paint. So I'm gonna put one here. And one more here, and let's add one here. Okay, so that's the face, and I'm gonna leave out the bricks, and if you want to add in the bricks, you can look at my other spray videos, and because they're all the same bricks anyway. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.